Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing the stellar black variant of the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, which is a 112 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto, and I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, before we begin, I want to let you know that this 112 scale licensed Meteor 350 Stellar comes in 3 color variants, which we will get to in a bit. And before we get to the good stuff, let's take a look at the boxing as always. So as you can see, this Meteor 350 Stellar black variant comes in an elegant window type box which matches the color of the respective model, which is a good touch when it comes to the presentation, as I mentioned before. Well, to begin with, the Royal Enfield logo is up front and on the top, and on this side you could see the scale, which is a 112 scale, followed by the Meteor 350, which is the model, and finally the color, which is the Stellar black variant. And on this end is the Maisto branding with a few other details, as you can see, and on this side is the signature Meteor 350 logo, which is in its standard colors, and the website details. And on the other end is a bit of interesting information regarding the Royal Enfield Meteor, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. Well, to begin with, this Meteor Stellar 350 comes in 3 color variants, which is the black variant which we just unboxed, as well as the blue variant and the red variant, which I've made exclusive videos for, of which I'll drop the links in the description below, so go check it out and let me know what you think. So, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic, and looks just as good as its real life counterpart and its other variants. And this model comes with a black chassis, a steerable front fork with a well sculpted headlight, a pair of turn signals which have good details to it, chromed rear view mirrors, black hand grips with chrome clutch and brake levers, a good looking front fender that wraps around a fully blacked out set of wheels and tire, which simply looks amazing, with this chrome disc brakes as well, which contrast the wheels. And moving on to the mid section, I really like the shape of this fuel tank like its other variants, but this one is painted in stellar black, which looks stealthy, especially with the matte silver Royal Enfield logo on both the sides. And getting to the heart of this replica lies a beautiful and well sculpted two-tone black and chrome 350cc engine model with a single chrome exhaust pipe, with the rest of the components blacked out. The side cases are branded with the Meteor 350 logo on both sides, which is the signature white, red and silver, which is prominent. And talking about the seat, it's an all black double seat which comes with a backrest, which is a standard for the Stellar models. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front and comes with a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And this replica measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 130 grams. Well, if I were to choose from these 3 variants of the Meteor Stellar, I would definitely go for this all black beauty, which looks stealthy with its matte black finish. But I guess that's my preference, so you let me know which one of these Stellar variants are your favorite in the comments below. So overall, this is yet another beautiful Meteor 350 Stellar replica, and a definite must have for any diecast motorcycle hobbyist or collector, especially if you're a Royal Enfield enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy links for this Royal Enfield Meteor Stellar 350 diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Royal Enfield Meteor on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors. And this Meteor Stellar diecast variant gets a massive thumbs up from me for the looks as well as the functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing Royal Enfield replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on Royal Enfield Meteor coming up. The new and improvised Meteor 350 serves as a replacement to the Thunderbird and the Thunderbird X lines of motorcycles. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is available in 3 different versions, which is the Fireball, the Stellar and the Supernova, with the Stellar being the mid-range model, which is priced approximately at about 1.84 lakhs in Indian rupees. The Royal Enfield Meteor represents the eternal essence of riding, the spirit of the cruise, with classic contours and timeless design cues. It is an easy thoroughbred cruiser, ready for the open highways and for meeting the challenges of urban commute with equal ease. At the heart of the Meteor is the all-new air-cooled 349cc SOHC engine with a characteristic long stroke and electronic fuel injection system, producing smooth, trackable power and plenty of bottom-end torque. Continuing the legend of the easy singles, the new engine throbs with a visceral beat that is distinctively Royal Enfield. The Meteor 350 features a Tripper navigation system, the first ever in a Royal Enfield, powered by Google Maps and the Royal Enfield app that connects smartphones with the motorcycle through Bluetooth. Tripper is a sophisticated navigation solution that indicates directions through an intuitive display system with an additional USB charging port on the motorcycle. And for further information on the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Royal Enfield Meteor replica, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below as well. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Royal Enfield Meteor diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 112 Scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this Royal Enfield Meteor diecast episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.